Hi guys, today we talk about how can you add view on your Lemon app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Just follow these ways here. So you go down, click on this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. So then all you have to do now, just click here on edit profile, click on it here. When you just click on edit profile, it's going to take you to this list here. Come here to view and you click on add view here. So then here add your view in this list. When you down, you just click here on down here, then it's going to add video on your Lemon app. That's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.